Ever fancied growing your own potatoes? Today you'll learn how to do just that. We'll explore selecting the right potatoes, preparing them for planting, nurturing them to robust growth, and finally, the joy of harvest. Kickstart your spud adventure by choosing the right potatoes. Start off by selecting the right potato variety for your region. You'll find a world of difference between seed potatoes and your everyday store-bought spuds. Seed potatoes are cultivated for growth, making them your best bet for a bountiful harvest. With the right potatoes in hand, you're ready for the next step, preparation and chitting. Preparation and chitting are vital for a healthy potato plant. Begin by selecting firm, healthy potatoes. The process of chitting involves allowing your potatoes to sprout before planting, which promotes vigorous growth and a bountiful harvest. With your potatoes chitted, it's time to plant them. Planting your potatoes correctly sets the stage for a successful harvest. Begin by digging trenches about 6 inches deep. Place your chitted potatoes, sprout side up, 12 to 15 inches apart. Cover them with 3 inches of soil. Now that your potatoes are in the ground, the next step is watering. Watering is crucial to your potato plant's growth. A well-balanced watering routine fosters healthy, robust growth. Too much water can cause rot, while too little can lead to stunted growth. Striking the right balance is key. With watering down pat, let's move on to hilling and maintenance. Hilling is a key practice in potato growing. This technique involves gently mounding soil around the base of the plant, which boosts yield and shields growing spuds from sunlight. It's a simple but vital step for healthy potato growth. With hilling and maintenance covered, it's time to anticipate the harvest. The most exciting part of growing your own potatoes is the harvest. When the foliage yellows and wilts, it's time to dig in. Gently unearth your spuds, being careful not to bruise them. Congratulations on your homegrown spuds. Enjoy the unbeatable taste of your own potatoes. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to growing your own potatoes. We've traversed from selecting the right potatoes, through planting, watering, and hilling, all the way to the exciting harvest time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening insights and homegrown produce tips.